Have you ever had one of those give your pig a pancake situations? You know, one of those projects where you started doing one thing and then it turned into something else, and then five more projects and you never got the first project done? That was me last weekend. I went out to do one single thing, plant vegetables. And next thing I know, I'm at Lowe's, I'm measuring for wood, expanding a garden bed, and no, I didn't get my vegetables planted. I did eventually later in the week, but it was just you give a pig a pancake and it leads to something else. Have you ever had one of those situations? So it started off where I was leaning against the edge of one of my raised beds and crack. The whole thing snapped right off, and that's when I noticed it. The wood was completely rotten. I just can't ignore the situation. I can't put plants in that bed until I replace that one piece of wood. And just like that, vegetable planting was over. Next thing I know, I'm tearing apart garden beds. I'm ripping out one section of wood, finding more rotten wood, taking out that section of wood, adding in more gardening bricks, measuring boards, moving dirt, fully committed to a project that started accidentally and just kept growing. But honestly, there's no regrets. All the rotten wood is gone, the soil is refreshed. I just have a whole new gardening bed to work with this year. So tell me in the comments, have you ever had a give your pig a pancake situation? I'd love to hear about it. What simple task spiraled into a complete all-day project? I'm sure I'm not the only one who this happens to. If you love a little gardening chaos, some DIY projects, or things that don't turn out the way you had expected, give me a subscribe. Follow along with me. Thank you so much. Have a great day and happy gardening.